Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive a channel in Slack. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your Slack software. I'll just use a browser and use the browser-based Slack. So I'll just open my browser and go to slack.com. From here, I can see all the workspaces listed over here. I only have one, so it only shows one. And you'll see all this after logging in, so do that first. Then just go to the Slack workspace that you want to work on. I'll click on Launch Slack from here. Then just give it some time. You also might need to click on Use Slack in your browser. And after that, it will load the workspace. Just give it some time. And after it loads, what you have to do is just go to the channel section and select the channel that you want to archive. Now from here, I got a new channel called Hello. I want to archive that, so I'll just go to that. And from here, I'll click on the Get Channel Details. And I'll click on the name, it will get the channel details. From here, I have many options. I got the About tab, I got the Members tab, I got the tabs, I got integrations, I got settings. I'll just go to settings. And from settings, I can change the channel name, I can do every sort of stuff. But I can scroll all the way down where I'll find delete channel as well as archive channel for everybody. I need to click on this, so I'll just click on archive channel for everybody. And after that, it will tell you what happens when you archive a channel. Basically, no one will be able to send message to this channel. Any apps installed in this channel will be disabled. If there are external people in this channel, they will be removed. They'll still have access to the chat history. And if you're okay with all this, just click on archive channel. Then just give it some time and the channel will be archived. And basically that's it, and that is how to archive a channel in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.